How's it going? My name is Aguilar, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called the Wiggle Walk. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, let me head straight into it. Let's start with somos uno. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. Wiggle walk. Let's just focus on the footwork first. So I'm going to start forward with the left leg going 1, 2, feet together, 3, 4, left leg forward on 5, 6 feet together, 7, 8, and then somos uno. 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. Let's try that one more time. Just the footwork. Here we go. Wiggle walk. 6 feet together, and we go left, right, and somos 1, 2, 3, allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me and the channel tremendously so we can reach out to others and show the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, now that we did the footwork, let's focus on that wiggle. In all seriousness, the main thing for this is honestly making sure you're doing your walk on time. The wiggle itself can be a little out of beat because sometimes you might move a little bit faster, right? Or a little slower, right? But like I said, as long as your footwork for that walk is solid and you're on time, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back to your somos uno on the 1, you are perfectly fine. So let's try this in halftime music and then we'll do it at full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, somos uno. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Wiggle walk. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double time. 1. Alright, here we go. Wiggle walk. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Alright, one more time. Here we go. Wiggle walk. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational, fun, entertaining videos, and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Aguilar. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.